Guys, it's Ella and welcome back to another episode of my vlog. And today is Saturday, December 20, and it's currently 9:35 a.m. and right now is pupunta tayo sa MOA to watch Disney on Ice since bumili si Kenneth na ticket nung isang araw. So yeah, and this is my look for this day. Ang kalat. Naka-curl ako and mamaya ko ipapakita yung outfit ko kasi makalat sa kwarto ni Kenneth. And yeah, see you later! So guys, we're here na at MOA. Kakarating lang namin and it's currently 1 mahigit na. So we're planning to claim our tickets muna dahil hindi namin na-claim. So yeah, nakakaya pala mag-vlog dito. Patingin mo! Yay!
Sila.
Naka-cars.
Gusto ba si Cars?
Hindi ko alam. So let's go! Ito na kami sa loob. We're here inside. Look at the view, guys. Look at the view. Guys, we're here! Oh my God!
Finally got to leave the palace and see the world. Yep. And Aladdin's wish came true in a big way too. Holding on tight to you. 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 But I can take them on one at a time. So I make this choice. So I say the word for us and this. So I make this choice. So I say the word for us and this. Okay. The beauty of the wrong, you go wrong. That's life in the family, Madrigal. Now you know family, Madrigal. We're all girls, hurry along now.
Lalabas mo yung Cars.
Tingnan niyo yung anak ko, guys. Happy siya kay Lightning McQueen. Bakit ka happy? Happy siya, guys. Look!
Hey there. Well, hey there, buddy. They're extra accessory suspensions, son.
No, I just know how much my best friend likes to go tractor tipping.
I sure do. Oh, tractor tipping's fun.
Guys, tapos na. Tapos na. Hoy, tapos na. Tapos na. Nakakabitin so much. Pero, enjoy. Napakaganda ng performance. And, grabe nakahilang inang Chari. Grabe feel na feel. So, yeah.
Sayang wala si Jimmy Neutron.